report. It's barbecue day again. Oh man, I'm so excited. My lucky day. Hey guys, I'm so excited because again today is barbecue day, my favorite day of the week. And we find ourselves here in Boulder City, just outside of Las Vegas, at this place called Fox's Smokehouse BBQ. Wendy and I actually have been here before, and we were on a trip out to Lake Mead and it was spectacular. But then I came to realize that it's actually one of the highest rated Google restaurants of barbecue in the whole greater Las Vegas area. So I'm super excited. It's the weekend and they have these giant Flintstone style ribs, which hopefully they're not sold out of. So if that's what's up, let's go get some barbecue. Come on, Wendy. All right, so we just got our first appetizer. It's something that kind of reminds us of home, which is of course the deep fried green bean. I'm super excited. I love these things for some reason. We got a couple of sauces with it, fry sauce and ranch. I'm gonna go with a little ranch. But let's give this a try. Cheers. Oh my gosh. You're gonna love this, Wendy. It really has a nice kind of extra spice to the coating. And with the ranch, it's almost a perfect little hot bite. So we're enjoying the green beans while we wait for the rest of our food to arrive. But I just had to film one more time because, man, these things are so damn good. Wendy, what's your opinion?
Oh my god, they're delicious.
I know, right? I keep eating them. Okay, so here we have it. This is the, quote, Flintstone style beef rib. They're gigantic. This is a 2-pounder, they said. Coming right along, we've got the burnt ends, which look like they're practically falling apart. The beef brisket, which, oh lord, it looks just like how I like it. It's a little, quote, done, but what I say is it's a little, quote, charred to perfection. Wendy got some turkey. I did get a biscuit here. And then coming on to the sides, we did the 50-50, which is this awesome blend of mac and cheese with their cowboy beans all together so you can slather it and have a good old time. We got the potato salad. We also went with the collard greens. And then one more showing. We really put the hammer down on these fried green beans because they're just so tasty. But I'll say this, all in all, we got ourselves quite a feast, and I'm dying to get in on this, baby. Yeah. Okay, so we finally got our food. I'm really excited. I don't know if you can tell, my face, it's just bursting with readiness for food. Oh my god, I'm just... Alright, so here we go. I'm not quite sure what to eat first. I'm tempted for this big Fred Flintstone rib, so since I'm holding it, let's just give it a shot here. Wendy?
Yeah, you want some sauce? Or try it dry first? Yeah,
I'm gonna try it dry first, so here we go. This one's for you guys. Oh my god.
Yeah?
Holy shit. It's so much moisture and fall apart in your mouth than I completely expected. It literally, as soon as it hit my mouth, it just exploded into this delicious rendered fat thing. Yeah, Wendy, try a bite of this. You gotta try it. Oh my god.
Yeah, this really is a Fred Flintstone riblet.
Yeah, try that. Right? Sort of had the consistency of like a really well done prime or pot roast, where it just falls apart. So good. Do we just want to roll right into trying something else? Okay.
I gotta circle back though and try this with some of the sauce.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm trying it with the white sauce.
Hi, while she does that, I'm gonna go in for one of these burnt ends. Burnt ends have kind of become my favorite delicious go-to for amazing flavor. So let me show you what we got here. Supercharred. Oh boy, it's not focusing. Supercharred, super moist. Oh Lord. Oh.
I have to say, as I got into this a little bit more,
That's crazy.
so soft, so tender. It's literally melting in my mouth.
Ooh, the hot sauce. Oh my god. I'm dying here, man. This is so good. Wow. Alright. Boy, as if this hasn't been enough, I'm rolling right into the, oh, yeah, here we go. Let's try that. I'm going in for the brisket. Now,
Dry?
yeah, dry. So the brisket, if it even holds apart while I do this, that's how soft this is. So I'm gonna actually try it with a little bit of the spicy first. Oh my god.
Oh. Looks like my fork starts for some brisket too.
It's a burnt end brisket.
Burnt end. Burnt end.
Oh, this is so delicious.
I'm gonna give it a go in the red sauce. Well, the red sauce is the spicy one.
I love the spicy. Right? Okay. So let's just go with it. Load it up here. Oh my god, I just can't wait.
So the brisket, and
Oh my god.
salty crust, like Dustin, salty crust on the brisket the way Dustin loves. Really, really good balance having it with the sauces, and each one enhances the flavors just a little bit different. The white makes it seem like almost a yummy barbecue backyard ranch.
Oh yeah.
And then the spicy one though, salty and savory.
Boy. I'll do a quick pause because I just want to stuff my face real quick. I can't resist.
Alright, so we also found out this place has $1 PBRs all day, 2 to 5.
Yep, let's do it. Happy hour, baby. Okay, so now that I have some time to gather myself after that first wave of delish, I'm gonna try the sides here. So let's do a little mac and cheese first. It's biting me, it's so cheesy. Oh my goodness gracious.
Almost in there.
Oh yeah. Here, dip it into your beer. There you go. Here we go. Cheers.
Only if you hold me and folks had a beer over here too.
Oh my god. It was just for what I was hoping for. Really heavily caramelized cheese.
Yeah.
And a little hint of spice. They've got some peppers in there for sure. But it gives you a little bit of a bite on the back end. I like the bites. Okay. Oh, Lord. Yeah, good one. Let me just try.
Alright guys, as I mentioned on one of our last videos, I love potato salad. That's my jam. Country picnic, mustard, egg style. Let's see how this is.
She's crazy about the potato salad.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this potato salad reminds me exactly how my mom would make it, actually. Yeah, the potatoes are boiled out just perfect. Super creamy, but like not heavy on the mayonnaise.
Collards.
Yes.
Yeah. Tasty. Now, it's not the shed,
Uh-oh.
but it's still damn good. It's got a a nice saltiness, and it does finish strong with a bit of a spice. And you know, with a good collard green, you want to have a little heat on the end. Tasty, but not the greatest of all time. But I definitely would order it again. So Wendy already got into the turkey when the film was not rolling, and that's cool. But she told me that it was amazing, so like I gotta give this a try. And you know, forks and spoons and knives. Yeah, now let's just grab the damn thing and have a bite.
We are at barbecue.
Oh yeah, you're right. Really smoky.
Okay. Wait, the greens are like lingering on my palate. They're the spicy and the greens.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I enjoyed them. That's true.
Definitely a hidden gem out here in Boulder. Really, really happy.
Speaking of going in for one more.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Dude. I don't want to talk with a full mouthful of beef, but it's hard not to just be immediately excited by how flavorful this beef rib is. Totally worth the money. I'd never really gone in for one of these Fred Flintstone style beef ribs before, and I'm so happy that I did because this thing is crazy good. Oh my god. I'm going to do a little hot barbecue on it.
Try the red and try the white. Very distinctive and brings out different flavors and saltiness. Alright, so I've been over here making faces about the beans. That little string there hanging off is some yummy shredded pork in this. Oh my gosh. And there's like corn and jalapenos. Oh, these beans are amazing.
Oh. Gotta cleanse the palate. Alright, thank you guys. Got the smoker right here. It's a beast. I figure I'll show you as we walk out how pretty this place is. Let's go, Wendy. So we're wrapping up at Fox's Smokehouse BBQ. This had really high reviews on Google, and I can totally see why. It was dynamite. I loved the caveman style beef ribs. The burnt ends and the brisket were both awesome too. I gotta say their spicy barbecue sauce actually really complimented just about everything, including the mac and cheese. All in all, I totally get why these guys are rocking their reviews, man. This place is awesome. So if you got some time, if you're heading out to Lake Mead or something, it's right on the way. This place rocks. Let's do this. So much fun. Oh, love this place.